Visualizing the objects in higher dimensions is an important step in everyone's mathematical journey. This video will hopefully enhance your ability to visualize the pentagram in higher dimensions. It is designed to be a meditation video that focuses on associating each vertex to specific sounds. Let's begin in 2 dimensions. The angles in a pentagram form 5 isosceles triangles that converge on 5 points. Let's break it down into parts and associate each part with a sound and an element. The circumradius of the pentagram can be identified as the distance from the center to the furthest vertex of each point. With this measurement, we will form the apex of each element, associating each element with a color and frequency. We will later associate each element with Platonic solids and integrate them into our visualization techniques. The first circumradius to element we will associate is the fire element. This element is associated with the color red. For many years, the concept of fire was symbolized by the triangle of combustion and represented with fuel, heat, and oxygen. Further fire research determined that a 4th element, a chemical chain reaction, was a necessary component of fire. The fire triangle was changed to a fire tetrahedron to reflect this 4th element. We will associate this element as a higher dimension of reactions through time. For this training video's purpose, the reactions will be associated as increasing and decreasing frequencies. As we transition to the second circumradius, we will associate this with the earth element, which is represented with the hexahedron. It is considered stable. It has 6 faces associated with the solidity, stability, and clear boundaries of the physical world. A cube, for example, is a regular hexahedron with all its faces square and 3 squares around each vertex. Notice the difference from the prior tetrahedron. The next circumradius will be associated with the element air and the geometric octahedron. The next circumradius will be associated with the element water, have the color blue, and be represented by the geometric icosahedron. To Plato, water was considered the densest of the 3 fluid elements: fire, water, and air. When we look at a 2-dimensional top-down view of an icosahedron, we can see 10 identical circumradius of a pentagon. The final circumradius of the pentagram will be associated with the spirit element. This will be a geometric dodecahedron. The sound for this circumradius is the combination of all the other elements in a harmonic frequency. This is to be done after associating all other frequencies. Until it is associated, it may be difficult to listen to. Remember, the purpose of visualizing these elements and their Platonic solids is to understand the essence of what they represent. To further explore the brain's ability to connect with higher dimensions, it will first be important to be able to visualize each 3- and 4-dimensional Platonic solids in the mind's eye, without visual tools. Be sure to check out each Platonic solid visualization meditation series if you need help.